Hey guys, Dan with Dmak Outdoors bringing another quick video, Prepisode number 2. Today we're doing a couple little modifications to the Jeep right here. Just getting it ready for Overland season. Had it for a couple of years now, but I've been wanting to do this for a while. I'm actually building like a little sleeping platform while being able to maintain my subwoofer box and give me some little storage right there. So I'm just going to kind of throw it on the hyperlapse while we play around, and so just let you guys kind of see, but just so you can see where we're at so far. I've got the kind of the frame built. I've got the box in. I've got my first little swing out done right here, but we're going to just build the rest of the swing outs and get the other side done. So yeah, hang out guys. Hey guys, day 2. We're still working on it. Had to dive into work there. Pulled the box out of the Jeep right now, and I've just got it right here because we are going to start. I got these 3 sections all mounted up, and we're going to start getting creative. I have zero plans for this. This is totally just kind of off of the hip. And I'm using a lot of scrap parts to build this thing. So like right now I've got, you can see right here, I've got these pretty structural bars right here. I'm going to figure out a way to kind of mount the bars into the dealio here. So we might have to go up to the hardware store and get a couple little brackets to hold it. So let's see. I've got the box pretty much put together. As you can see, I've got the sleeper arm that kicks out. I pulled it out of the Jeep right now because we're going to do some painting. I am not going to get fancy with it at all. I am using like leftover crap spray paint that I've just got laying around wherever, so we're just going to get to it. So feel free to watch. Alright, well, tripod gave out a little bit there, but 1 can of spray paint later, and this is where we're at. Just so you guys know, if y'all are new to my channel or haven't talked to me on forums or anything like that, I am very much a function over form type of person. Obviously I like my pretty things, but I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to my builds, as long as they are of the caliber needed. I don't care if there's scratches, dents, dings, mismatched paint, this or whatever. I mean, hell, let's look at my personal vehicle that the wife drives here on a daily basis. You can see I've got a hail damaged vehicle that's beat to shit and back with all the bang ups on it. So well guys, we had to do actually a randomly rapid impromptu test of the sleeper, because as I was painting, it started hailing outside, and we were getting like not golf ball, but like marble sized hail coming down. So I had to like throw everything into the back of the Jeep. Fortunately, paint was dried enough, but we're just kind of riding out the storm right now, kind of doing our maiden test fitting voyage of our little sleeper hold. So far, it's working pretty good. It's quite comfy. I'm good. So it smells like paint, but to be expected when I painted it 20 minutes ago. I don't care about the sleeping pad if it gets paint on it or not, so big deal. But yeah, there's Mr. Puppy up there. Cool. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, well, we finished the build. It took me like it bled into a 3rd day because we had that crazy hailstorm that popped up. I'm not going to do a full reveal right now because I got a few more little tweaks and stuff right here, but we did get it fully installed back into the Jeep right there, and I'll show you kind of, I'll be doing a second part on this, and we'll discuss some of the philosophy behind the build and some of the intricacies of it there. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe.